builders, welcome to It's a Weekly Wrap. With so many new builders joining our community, we started at the very beginning. That is at building block number 1 and its first 3 components. It's the first of the 3, your why. This is the reason why you want to change, why you are taking on your fitness, health, and weight loss project. Now, as we do each week, we start off with the Mindful Monday quote that sets the tone for the week. And this week's quote is from a gentleman by the name of Viktor Frankl. He is an Australian neurologist, psychiatrist, philosopher, author, and Holocaust survivor. Here's what he says, is when you know your why, you can endure your how. Now, in the Fitness, Health, and Tidbit Tuesday post, we expanded on this by stating, knowing your fitness and health, weight loss, why creates a solid foundation that can lead to sustainability. Now, the reason for this is because your why is your North Star, and it will guide you, especially when things get challenging. Now, this week we did not do the Wednesday Q&A, but instead we posted episode number 5 of our new series, A Little Time with none other than me, Coach Beckie. And in this episode, you will learn more about my thoughts on planning and the overall importance that it plays. And then on Thursday, I shared an excerpt from a Building Blocks Breakthrough Journey. Now, for you new builders, this was a 9-week series where I retraced the 5-step building block process to sustainable weight loss, and that enabled me to reach and to keep my over 60-pound weight loss. Now, I shared my why and the 3 questions that I want you to ask yourself so that you can discover yours. Question number 1, why did I decide to take on this project? Question number 2, why is this project so important to me? And number 3, what led me to the point where I feel that I need to take on this project? Well, and then this morning we had our Food Fact Friday post where I asked, hey, did you know understanding your why you eat the foods that you do can help you make healthier decisions? Now look, the overall takeaway is that knowing your why is a primary component to creating your fitness, health, and weight loss project. It is your North Star. It's the reason why you took on this project, why you want to change. And when things get tough, as I said, which they will, you always want to come back to your why to get yourself back on track. So what is your fitness, health, and weight loss why? I want you to post below. Well, that is it. That is your weekly wrap. I am Coach Beckie, and this is Build Your Best You, your 5-step building block process to sustainable weight loss. Have a terrific Father's Day weekend, and as always, please remember that healthy choices build a better you. Take care, builders.